In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in TradingView. TradingView is an invaluable tool for traders and investors, offering a range of features that cater to both beginners and experienced professionals. However, one common issue people face is needing to adjust the time zone settings. Whether you're traveling or managing multiple portfolios worldwide, setting the correct time zone ensures that the information you receive is both timely and relevant. Let's dive right into it and walk through this process step by step. First, we need to get ourselves to the TradingView platform. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're visiting for the first time, you can easily get started by signing up. It's as simple as that. The TradingView interface is designed to be intuitive, but like any new environment, it can take a little time to get accustomed. Once logged in, you'll find your way to the main charting area, where all the action happens. Now, observe the upper part of your screen. There, you will see an icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon. This is your gateway to customizing how TradingView looks and functions to suit your specific needs. The settings menu allows you to tweak everything from chart layouts to alerts. It can seem like a lot at first, but don't worry. Today we're focusing only on the time zone settings. As you navigate through the settings menu, you will notice several tabs, each referring to different customizations you can make. You want to click on the tab labeled Symbol. This tab will open up a new set of options that are directly related to how your chart interacts with various market symbols, including how time and data are displayed. Next, you'll want to locate the section under this tab that mentions UTC, or Coordinated Universal Time. This is a universal standard time and is often used as a default setting. By clicking on UTC, you'll be given a list of different time zones. This is the step where you can make your desired adjustments. Scroll through this list until you find the time zone that matches your current location or the market you're focusing on. Once found, click on it to select. Adjusting your time zone ensures that all market data aligns with your local time, reducing any chance of confusion, especially crucial during volatile trading conditions. Confirm your selection, close the settings, and voila! Your TradingView is now set to match your chosen time zone. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone on TradingView to better align with your specific needs. Thank you for watching and happy trading. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful TradingView tutorials.